Hello! Today we are making seared salmon salad. Alright. So first we're going to deal with our salmon. Over here we just got a nice little salmon tail fillet. This is what we're going to work with today. But you can use any part of salmon that you like. The center parts are always going to be ideal. I'm not mad at the tail portion though. So I'm going to cut this in half just so it's easier to work with and easier to sear. So I'm going to go ahead and we can cut it this way to make it portions, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it this way. Again, everyone has their own way of how they want to prepare their salmon. I'm just deciding to split it this way today. Usually, and most time in the grocery stores, you'll find the fillet of salmons this way, and that's going to be your one fillet. But for today, we're going to go lengthwise. Okay, so now that we've split our salmon into two pieces, we're gonna go ahead and season. We're gonna go with some salt, some pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning. So the way we're gonna cook our salmon is we're gonna pan-sear it on a skillet. So we're gonna go ahead, warm up, put some olive oil, extra virgin, in the pan. Allow the oil to get a little warm first. The goal here, since we're pan-searing, is to get a nice crispy skin on our salmon. All right, we're gonna turn our fire down to about medium high. Go ahead and drop our salmon skin side first. Get that nice sizzle. And let it go for just about 3 minutes, depending on the size of your salmon. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Let's flip our fish. And again, depending on the size of your fish, we're gonna go with about another 2 to 3 minutes on this side. For the last step of the salmon, I like to just crank her up to high real fast, maybe about 10 seconds just on the flesh side, just to make sure we're getting a nice color on the flesh. And I'm gonna go ahead and just flip back onto the skin side. Beautiful. And on the skin side, just give it another like 15-20 seconds on high. All right, let's kill the heat. While we let our salmon rest, let's make our salad. We're gonna use a 50-50 blend for our salad, but you can use whatever greens you like. Got it. Plop some just right into our bowl. We're gonna dice up one Roma tomato. Go ahead, get the head, cut it in half, and dice it up. And into the bowl. All right, we're gonna take a little bit of red onion. I'm gonna slice it up real nice and thin, almost shaving. Now you really need a sharp knife for this, and if you don't feel comfortable, you can always use a mandolin. Or just dice up your onion into small dices, that can be fine too. All right, that should be enough. Take some of that, put it in the salad. All right, we're gonna take a whole avocado. Open it up. Go ahead, get the pit out. There we go. And the trick here is get a spoon. You know, run your spoon just around and under, and then plop it right out. Take your knife, run some lines, turn it, get some cubes. Another way to do your avocado is take your knife, go ahead and make a grid in your avocado, Be very careful that your knife is not going all the way through to your hand, just through the avocado to the skin. Take your spoon now, and then goes right into the bowl, and your cubes come right out. For our vinaigrette, we're gonna make a lemon vinaigrette. And go ahead and grab a lemon. And a trick I learned is just kind of put a little pressure, do a little roll on your lemon to kind of get the juices flowing. Go ahead, cut that in. Just get the juice out. I'm gonna fish out my seeds. We don't want that in our salad. Perfect. For our vinaigrette, we have 1 whole lemon. We're gonna add some of our extra virgin olive oil. And this is a fancy olive oil that we got at Italy, that Italian market. Super tasty. I only use this oil for eating, not for cooking. We'll add a little pinch of salt and a little pinch of black pepper. Now this step is a little unorthodox since we are doing lemon vinaigrette, but I like to add a splash of balsamic into my lemon vinaigrette just to give a little bit of tang from the acidity. So we're gonna go ahead and whisk that together. Give it a little taste. Oh yeah. Drizzle that into our salad. Now let's toss her up. And here we have our seared salmon salad. Thanks for joining us. Now get out of my kitchen.